I wonder what we'll have to cook. I want French fries. French fries? Well, that's easy. French fries. Well, never mind. I can do that. Okay, it's easy. Let's go. Oh. Fine. Come on, stupid potato. Ugh. Ow! How painful. Do that again and I'll get you. It was her. Grandma. Yeah. What? Hey, you're a cutie. Now we'll cut everything up quickly. Like this. We'll put everything here. And add a little bit of oil. And don't forget about seasonings. We still need to add spices. No, that's enough. Well, the only thing left is to put it in the oven. Only a true professional knows how to work with potatoes. See? Perfect slices. How beautiful and smooth they are. Just like that. And let's add seasonings. What a delicious smell. The only thing left is to fry them properly. Yeah, almost done.
Yeah.
It smells great. Toaster is fast and efficient. Come on, we agree on that, right? The only thing left is to wait a little bit. And... yay! Got it! My French fries are ready. And here I am. Now, let's put the potato on the plate. So appetizing. Just sprinkle with herbs. It smells wonderful. Just look at her. Here I have a real potato and real French fries. And the finishing touch is the sauce. Just choose. Wow, how many French fries? Let's start with this one. Strange. Let's measure it. Well, just like the norm, I can eat it. Whoa, how delicious. So good.
Yeah.
Now this one. Very good. I think I'll eat it again. Very cool. Now, ooh, how beautiful it looks. What a golden one. Let's dip it in the sauce. Yummy stuff. Ooh, wow, this is awesome. I approve. I choose this French fries. Ooh, so good. My French fries won. However, I knew it. Envy and Silas losers. And now, I want scrambled eggs.
Okay.
Good.
Nice.
Oh, easy. Oh no. Oh no. It crashed. Oh, so I'll quickly get the whole shell out of there.
Ouch.
Ow, hot.
Ew.
Okay. Fine. It's gonna be fine. Everything is possible, right? Let's add some salt. No! Oh, why am I so unlucky today? Oh no. Now it's burning! Oh, let's cover it. Like that. Oh, that's better. Okay, you have to do it calmly. Stir the eggs, add milk. Well, that's great. Now you stir. Oh, what's wrong with my hand? Let me help you. I can't even choke now, or what? Why are you so serious? So now you add some salt. Pour everything into the frying pan. Just like that. Hold this, baby. See how our famous chef is doing. Look at that. First, we add some water.
Nice.
You need to boil it. And then you get a special package. Break the egg. Just like that. Now we close it and lower it into the water. And wait. So beautiful. Ooh, it's time. It's time to get the egg. Just like that. We put it on the plate. Sprinkle with salt.
Ooh la la.
Wonderful. Oh, and I'll sprinkle my dish with herbs. And I'll add tomatoes. Wow, it looks super delicious, Grandma. And what happened to your eggs, baby? Mine? Oh, I completely forgot. Oh no, what a horror. A nightmare. What is it? I've never seen anything worse. We're ready. Well, let's see what we have here. Something unpleasant. I won't even taste it. And this one. Ooh.
What?
Did it? I don't like that. What is this, yolk? Ew, no, not for me. And what's that? Looks very appetizing. And smells very good too. And so delicious. This one, I choose this one. Me? Did you really choose me? Yeah, I won. Oh, something caught my back. I want a milkshake in this round. Milkshake, then. What could be simpler than a milkshake? That ugly glass? No. Here is our size. Ooh, Haribo bears. Just put it there. And some chips. And let's add some Coca-Cola. I can't wait to try it myself.
Wow.
We're going to mix everything up now. Yeah, so cool. Pour the milk. Then some chocolate bar. Hershey's, so good. So delicious. And then we stir constantly. The chocolate will melt. And it tastes so good. Let's put it in a mug.
Hooray!
And now let's add some marshmallows on top. I know that my granddaughter loves them so much. Last touch. Look at this, so cool. Yeah, not really. Let's pour some syrup on the glass. Now ice cream. And put it in the blender.
Wow.
Some Nutella and delicious milk. We cover all this and mix it up. Ready. We pour what we got into a glass, decorate with vanilla foam, and Oreo. Some chocolate chips and chocolate balls. Just perfect.
Ooh la la.
Ooh, I wouldn't mind tasting that.
Come on.
We're ready. Wow, how many delicious things. Something strange. What's that? Ew, what a mess. Ooh, how cute. What delicious marshmallows. And how delicious it is itself.
Hooray!
Wow, it looks awesome. And the taste is just as awesome as the look. Ooh, it's Oreo. Yummy. I give the victory to this milkshake. Yes, I knew it. Well, how insulting. I tried so hard.
Chocolate is so delicious. No, Mary, don't stick your fingers in the fountain. Let's wait for our sweets. While we waited, it's a cactus. What do you have? Oh my gosh! Don't worry, Mary. I was way luckier than you. I got jelly eyes. It's so unfair. I think it's totally fair. They smell so good. I can't wait to try them. I'm gonna eat 2 at once. Mmm, yummy. And I love this colorful gummy ribbon. This is so delightful. Oh, by the way, Mary, there's some jelly inside the gummy eyes. Stop bragging. Stick your gummies in the fountain and eat faster. This is gonna be so tasty. Gummies with chocolate is my favorite combination. So yummy and so delicious. I love this. Too bad I only have 2 sticks left, but I'm gonna eat them all. Hey, Mary, look! Now my gummy skewers are covered in chocolate. This is so delicious. I could eat this forever. Wow, Mary, you look really jealous. Kate got so lucky with those sweets. And all I have is a cactus. Yeah, I could have eaten this forever. But now we gotta get down to business. Whoa! It's impossible to stop myself. She makes it look so yummy. Alright, Mary, I'm done. You can quit drooling. You've got chocolate all over your face. That's no problem. I can lick that right up. Oh, Kate. Alright, apparently it's time for my cactus. I don't want to have to eat this prickly thing. Maybe if I smear the cactus in chocolate, it won't be so prickly? Alright, let's check it out. No, not yet. I need to put it in chocolate again. What are you doing, Mary? Hey, it worked! Look! Kinda looks like an ice cream cone. I'm gonna try it. Mmm, delicious. And most important, safe to eat. Not a single needle. Hey, Mary, don't forget about the needles inside. Be careful. Oh, I warned you. Delicious. Ouch! Something just pricked me in my mouth. Really? Oh, it's the thorns from the cactus. Oh, someone pull them out. Mary, I warned you. Good thing I have some tweezers with me. Give me your tongue. Let me try to help you. Ouch, that really hurts. Be careful. You should be more careful when you're eating a cactus. You're right. Are you done already? Oh, great. Great, Kate. Thanks. No problem, girlfriend. Wow, bananas! And some sweet sprinkles. Great! This time you were luckier than me. Raw fish? I'm not jealous of you, Kate. Alright, let me go first. What a delicious banana! I need to peel it. That turned out great! Now I can dip it in chocolate. Bananas and chocolate is the best combination.
Wow.
Now I need to dip it in a topping. Wow, this banana looks so pretty and delicious. Whoa, this turned out amazing. I can't wait to try it. Yummy. Now I can eat bananas with chocolate forever. Oh, that's all. The bananas are over. But I still have plenty of sprinkles left. And I have a great idea. I can fill the fountain with them. Now the chocolate's gonna be even tastier. How cool! This looks amazing. Wow, the fountain even changed color. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Too bad I'm gonna have to shove this disgusting fish in it. Well, let's get this over with sooner rather than later. Let's go for a swim in chocolate, you little fish. Hey, this looks great. But it's still raw fish. Only now it's in chocolate. Okay, I'll try it. To be honest, this is just awful. It tastes disgusting. I don't feel so good. Oh, I'm sorry, Kate. The only thing worse than raw fish is raw fish and chocolate. Poor Kate. She was really unlucky this round. Hey, maybe I can do something nice for her. Here you go, Kate. Take a straw. What do I do with this? Oh, I know. Great idea, Mary. Now I can eat the chocolate straight from the fountain. I think this is actually really delicious. I agree. I hope this chocolate fountain never ends. Oops, we drank it all, Kate. Yeah, and it was absolutely delicious. Wow, is this corn? Do I pour chocolate on it? I don't have any questions. I got Hubba Bubba. It's already delicious, and the chocolate will make it even tastier. All right, I'll be first. Yeah, I'm definitely not in a hurry. Go ahead. Let's see. Yummy. So how do I dip this in chocolate? Oh, I know. I'll pour it straight into the box. Now I'm gonna close it up and shake it up real hard so that it gets all covered in chocolate. Wow, this turned out great. Now I've got chocolate chewing gum. I want to try it. Whoa, oh my gosh. This is exactly the taste I needed. I'm gonna stuff my whole mouth with this. Yummy. Now it's time for a mega chocolate bubble. Wow, that turned out great! And that's not all. Time for my second thing of gum. Let's get more from the fountain. I'll do the same thing again. Shake, shake, shake. And check this out. I've got such a big appetite. Great. You make that look so delicious, Kate. Whoa! Those bubbles are cool. Yeah. How's your corn? It's still here. I don't know how to eat this. Okay, I'll dip it in chocolate. Maybe it'll be delicious then. Smells good. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, it's so-so. It's no cactus, though. But it's not Hubba Bubba either. I want to see if I can modify this corn a bit. I'll use this burner that I keep in my purse. Let's turn up the heat. If I calculated everything correctly, things should be smelling pretty good about now. Popcorn! Look, Kate. And it's also chocolatey. What does it taste like? Just great! Oh, if we've got popcorn, that means we have to watch a cool movie. Whoa, a cooking challenge! Cool, I love this. I never know who's gonna win in the end. Wow, I love popcorn too. While Mary's busy with her video, I'm gonna steal a little. Ouch, that hurt. Well, don't try to steal my popcorn. Look, this is so exciting. Well, whatever. Eat your popcorn, greedy. I can't resist this chocolate fountain. How delicious. Whoa, there's sweets. Wow. I have an Oreo cookie. What do you have? I don't have sweets. I got something sour. It's lemons. I can just imagine your face while you're eating them. Yeah, it's not hard to imagine. Maybe if I dip these lemons in chocolate, then they won't be so sour. But I doubt it. Well, it's time to try. I'm gonna need to do this fast. Nope, still sour. Why am I so unlucky? I don't know what to say, Mary. I don't have any problems. Gosh, you're so rude. All right, more sour lemons? Go in the fountain. I'm gonna give this a second chance. No, nothing changed. It's still sour. Okay, I'm gonna need to eat all of these really fast. Kate, you have no idea how bad this is. Yeah, just looking at you makes me sick. One last piece left. Oh no, I can't do this anymore. Oh, Kate, don't cry like that. Here, take a napkin. Wipe your face. Make yourself beautiful again. Oh, thank you, Kate. You're so nice. Mary, I said wipe your face, not blow your nose. Ew, throw this out. Gross. Oh, by the way, I can't get distracted. My Oreos. Sorry, Mary. I'm not gonna have to deal with your drama. I've got delicious cookies waiting for me. I want to eat them fast. First, I'm gonna dip them in chocolate. A chocolate-covered Oreo combo. Mmm, how delicious. This is so delicious. Finger looking good. Hey, just a second, I have an idea. I'm gonna take all the cookies in this pack and crumble them up nice and good. A few good karate chops should do the trick. Now ahead, bud. Great! Can't stop now. Kate, are you all right? Totally. After all, I had a brilliant idea. Now I can pour some chocolate into the bag with the Oreo crumbs. Then we'll stick in a stick and freeze it. Do you know what's gonna happen next? I think it's gonna be really tasty. Exactly. Now we just have to wait a bit. I'm in no hurry. Great. Now I'll put these in the freezer. Then I'll set the time. A couple of hours should be enough. Super, time to take them out. Whoa, that seemed to really work. Hey Kate, what are you up to? Now you'll see. First we take a stick, then we turn it over. Then we remove the bag. Cool! Hey, look, Mary. I've got amazing Oreo ice cream. Mmm, really tasty. And if you dip it in the chocolate fountain, it's even tastier.
Wow.
Hot chocolate on cold chocolate. Mmm, it's so delicious I can't tear myself away. Kate? I think you're in trouble. How you doing? You're really frozen. Well, it's time for me to warm you up pretty fast. Come on, let's cover you in a blanket. Mmm, delicious ice cream. Thanks, Mary. Happy to help a friend. Kate makes that look so delicious. And she's not gonna share anyways. Here, help yourself, Mary. You saved me after all. Interesting. What do we have here? Wow, marshmallows. Oh my gosh, what a nightmare. Yeah, for sure. I got Mom's stinky cheese. So unlucky. I have an idea. Marshmallows are gonna save me from that smell. Kate, finish that cheese fast, or else we're all gonna suffocate. Do I have to eat it? I don't want to. Well, if I dip it in chocolate, maybe it won't smell so bad. I feel like nothing's changed. Okay, I'll take a small bite. Ugh, disgusting. Who even invented this terrible cheese? I wouldn't even feed this to a mouse. So gross. Ugh, I don't feel so good. Ew, what a smell. I need to do something to kill this taste fast. Whoa, chocolate! Just what I needed. Excellent. Ugh, now I'm all dirty. I'm gonna need something to wipe my face.
What?
Hey Kate, it's my t-shirt, not a rag. Use your own. Well, I don't want to get mine all dirty. What about mine? Oops, that was awkward. Hey Mary, why don't you try your marshmallows? Oh, that's right, my marshmallows. They're waiting for me. First, I'm gonna stick them in the chocolate. Mmm, great. How delicious. Wonderful. I want even more. I'm gonna dip my marshmallows again. Yummy. Wow, Mary makes that look so good. I want some too. Sorry, Kate, but these marshmallows are all mine. I'm gonna eat them all myself. Just like that, one after the other. This taste is simply bombastic. Oops! One marshmallow got left in the fountain. I gotta get it back. Not so fast. Oh yeah? You want a sword fight? And the winner gets the last marshmallow. And that's me. Mmm, I get to try it. Really yummy. Alright, but I'm gonna eat the rest. I've still got 2 left. I gotta dip them in chocolate.
Ooh.
Yeah, they smell great. Yummy. Mary, those were in your nose. So what? They're still delicious. Everything tastes better with chocolate.
What are we going to do in the first round? It's very simple. I'm hungry, so I want a sweet sandwich. Easy. It's easy to do. Even a child can handle it. By the way, about children, each of us loves sweets since childhood, so Susie came up with a great idea to make a sweet sandwich. For example, with Nutella. Damn, I got all dirty in this paste. Come on, toaster. I don't have much time. Oh. Come on. Grandma, what are you doing? What is this ancient method you got? There's a toaster. Big deal. No one will fry bread the way I will. It's time for peanut butter. A little grandma's jam wouldn't hurt either. How lovely. And why does it smell burnt in here? Oh, Susie, it's all your robot. It's not a robot, it's a toaster. I don't even know what's wrong with him. Oh no. It seems like I failed the toast.
Oops.
What are you doing? Don't you know how to make a really cool toast? For this, you need a little grated cheese and bright dyes. Just like that. Look how beautiful it is. But that's not all. Toast needs to be fried. Doing it in a frying pan is boring and now at all refined. Where did he go? The real toast should be fried just above the volcano. Yes, just like that. Done. Jess, it's time to choose a winner. Let's start with the first sandwich. It looks cooler than the rest. Whoa, what a cool stretching cheese. Very tasty. Wow, let's see what's next. Oh, and what is that? Ugh, disgusting. It tastes like coal. This sandwich looks much more appetizing and it smells much better. Yummy. Grandma, you've won. Thank you, Jess. I knew you loved me. Now I want pancakes. This is my favorite thing to do. Don't even hope to beat me. No one can cook pancakes better than me. It's time to knead the dough. Grandma, do you think I can't make the dough? That's easy. You just need to pile everything into one deep plate. Yeah, see? Great. Turned out wonderful. Oh, why bother so much? There is a mixer. It will help me beat this dough well. Let's see. Whoa, I didn't know it was so fast. And how do I get it out of the dough now? Come on, stupid device. Susie, you gave up very quickly, honey. But I just have to bake pancakes. Oh. Yes, and the smell is just wonderful. My legendary pancakes are ready. The only thing left is some butter. Let's mix this. Oh, I accidentally got you dirty. I'm sorry. Watch and learn what real pancakes should look like. We shouldn't forget about the beauty on the outside. And now I'll draw a funny face. Do you recognize this, cutie? Voila! Just in a few seconds, I got a form of kissy-missy head. But tasty one. Well, I got nothing left but to just use ordinary bread. But we only need insides. I think these are just cute circles I have. And now let's just add some whipped cream. Everybody likes them. I'm ready. Jess, it's time to vote. Wow! Is it a pancake in the form of kissy-missy head? Wow, so cool! It's quite tasty, by the way. And what's this? It looks like ordinary white bread. Well, and it is. Oh, well, it's definitely not pancakes. But pancakes in the middle look delicious. What a scent. Oh my god, I haven't tasted anything better before. Really? Again, Grandma? Oh, I'm out. Loser. This time I want to have a delicious spaghetti lunch. Oh, spaghetti? I think I'll handle it. Granny and the cook are going down a difficult path again. I think everything is much simpler. Why do anything when ready-made noodles are sold in stores? We even have some sauce here. And spices too. Now I just need to fill with boiling water. And how delicious it smells. It's not tasty at all. But spaghetti with sausages is a completely different thing. Delicious and original. We just wait till everything's ready and serve it beautifully. Original? More like boring. Making spaghetti colorful is really original. To do this, you need to make spaghetti yourself. But I'm ready to do anything to win. I even have a special machine for spaghetti here. Oh, so cool. Look at this. And the only thing left is to cook them. And of course, we must not forget about the sauce. Jess, choose. Yes. Look at this. Oh, well, don't worry, the table is still clean. Let's try. I'll start with these. Ooh. Well, it tastes like normal ramen. I expected more from you. But colored spaghetti looks so promising. Let's try. Wow, well, that's different. And now we have the third portion left. Whoa, what an original idea. So much fun. I love sausages so much. This plate of spaghetti is the most delicious. Are you kidding me? I'm so sick of it. Haha, I won again. I want something sweet. For example, a delicious cupcake. Not a problem. It will be done. A cupcake? How to cook it at all? Grandma, can you teach me? I have a very expensive machine that will help me do the dough for a cupcake. It's much more pleasant to do everything with it. And faster. Let's add some ingredients and everything will be done by its own. I love my machine here. Let's pour the dough. And don't forget about the dye. It's simply necessary to add color. Now you need to pour everything into a mold and send it to the oven. Now the victory is definitely mine. What else? No way, I'll make a cupcake with delicious berries. Everyone loves blueberries and strawberries. And I will definitely add some more chocolate. The only thing left is to wait until they're ready. See? Such a beauty. Wow, I'll never be able to do that. The only thing left is to top it with icing. And here is some whipped cream. Oh, I need to come up with something fast. Right, why not to use these cookies? Pour some caramel. Mix it. And now, here is a cupcake. Well, almost. Not so bad. Now let's see who wins this time. So beautiful and so delicious. They're colored even inside. This is a big plus. Let's move on. Whoa, it's so big. Oh, and whipped cream. Oh, why is it so hard? Ew. What is that? Doesn't look delicious at all. And doesn't taste either. Oh, the winner is evident. I love these cupcakes the most. Finally, I knew I could beat you. Here you go, get it.